Hello guys, this is a BMW I need to finish. As you can see, it's already on primer. I received it yesterday. Someone tried, repaired it, fixed it, created a clear coat, applied the pillar. It has some issues I need to continue. As you can see, the bench here is bent. There's a small hole here, probably somewhere else, and since the previous guy didn't know how to replace this arc, no problem, I can replace it with a new one. And this car will be overhauled, outside, inside, plain paint job with a new paint, which is a dark blue called terracus XS10 or 12 maybe. It's a very special paint. This is the painted detail that he showed me. I don't know if you can see the pearls, around maybe 50% sour paint crystals with a little touch of liquid crystals in it. And this whole anything here I need to repair, inside, outside, the hood, doors, fenders, everything. So this is my project for the next at least 2 weeks, or maybe 3, I don't know.